last Friday, we got word that Kroger's buying Albertsons. And our first reaction was, no way! As in, there's no way the Biden administration will let this deal go through. This White House has made it clear that they're no fan of large mergers, especially when you can make an argument that they'd be anti-competitive. The FTC and the Antitrust Division of the Justice Department are hardliners now. They both examine these deals. They think corporate consolidation is a problem, something that causes consumers to get hurt by higher prices. So they're extremely skeptical when major players in the same industry want to join forces. And this Kroger-Albertsons merger would be exactly that kind of deal. Two of the nation's 5 largest grocers combining to create a nationwide colossus with dozens of brand names and thousands of stores. Doesn't help that we're all very worried about food inflation, right? One of the most stubborn components, even as most agricultural commodities have come down in price. The supermarket plays a huge role in determining prices for food. So my gut instinct was to say this deal would be a tough sell because the regulators just aren't going to bite. But over the course of the day Friday, we did some reporting, serious reporting. Then over the weekend, we did some thinking, serious thinking. And now I think there is a good case to be made that Kroger could actually make this deal happen. Tonight, I want to walk you through it, though, because if the deal goes through, Kroger's stock becomes a lot more attractive. First, though, let's start with the facts. Kroger's a huge center change with more than 2,700 stores. Albertsons also has a ton of different brands across nearly 2,300 locations. And they've been trying to put themselves up for sale for a little while now. Both stocks have been underperformers in recent months. But now Kroger's coming in paying a 32% premium versus where Albertsons was trading before news of the deal broke. I remember when Albertsons stock was so low, and I liked it, and people were like laughing at me, except for the CEO. Now, as part of the transaction, Albertsons is also paying a huge special dividend, hard to figure this one out, of $6.85 per share in a few weeks. But you got to buy the stock before the close on October 24th to get a piece of that payout.
Don't miss a second of Mad Money. Follow @Jim Cramer on Twitter. Have a question? Tweet Cramer. #MadTweets. Send Jim an email to madmoney@cnbc.com or give us a call at 1-800-743-CNBC. Miss something? Head to madmoney.cnbc.com.